Not wearing your seatbelt. 93% of the drivers in Durham region actually wear their seatbelt. Out of the 7% that don't, they contribute to 50% of the deaths on our roadways. For every 1% increase in seatbelt use, 5 lives can be saved. In 2012, we had 18 fatalities on Durham roads. 5 of those deaths were because people were not wearing their seatbelts. Wearing your seatbelts is the single most effective way to reduce the chance of injury or death in the event of a crash.